is the red lip and the white teeth.
Jersey.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good? What's poppin', cousins? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified when your girl, your cousin, post a video, because why wouldn't you want to do that? You want to see when I'm on the tube. But anyways, right now I'm about to head to the house right quick. I just dropped Essence off. I'm about to head to the house right quick, right fast, because I need to get my car charger for my cell phone. And then I'm about to head to my lash appointment. No, first, I'm lying. I need to get something to eat. I'm hungry. I need to get something to eat. Then I'm gonna head to my lash appointment. Eat. You know, you feel me? Because your girl gonna eat. After my lash appointment, I'm gonna get my feet done, because first birthday is coming up. If you don't know, now you know. If you don't know, now you know. My 31st birthday is on Wednesday. Or is it on Tuesday? My birthday is definitely on Tuesday. Oh wow. So I'm getting prepared for my birthday. I gotta get my lashes done, my nails done, my hair done, my feet done. I gotta wax my whole body. Whew, I got a lot to do, actually. I got a lot to do, and I'm gonna take y'all with me everywhere I go, okay? So stay tuned, okay? Because your girl finna go from a to a what is that? What is the what is that? I don't know, but you know what I'm saying. I look a little dull. I look a little blah, but I'm finna be like, wow. Give me a few hours. Your girl the lash is finna take me there. It's finna take me there. But I'll see y'all when I get to my lash appointment, or when I go to my next style, whatever comes first, whatever I feel like picking up the camera, you feel me? I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all, I gotta say something to y'all after I get my food. You heard me? Let me get my food first. Thank you. You too. Okay, so I just want to say this. Oh, let me get my GPS back right. Okay, so listen. Never will understand the people that work at fast food restaurants. The people that work at fast food restaurants and have the nastiest attitudes. I did not tell you to work at Bojangles. I didn't tell you to work at McDonald's. I did not request for you to work there. So why you got an attitude with me? Because I want a little French fry and bacon and cheese on light. You know what I'm saying? What I do to you? Why you being weird to me? Because I'm ordering my food. Why is it 9:29 in the morning and you got an attitude? Are you not excited about being alive? First and foremost, are you not happy that you got a job? These are salty as fuck. Like, I just want to understand, why you so rude? So I'm about to get my lashes done, y'all. This is my lash tech. Say hey, girl. All right, so I'll see y'all when I finish. It's on me. Don't you hear me like, damn, that's how I look.
You got the butter on it.
Girl, okay. What's up, cousins? I'm back. I just left the nail salon, and baby, that was one of the best pedicures I've ever had. It was the best pedicure I ever had. Let me put y'all on right quick. You know how everywhere you go, it's a hood nail salon. I say it's a hood nail salon. It's always a hood nail salon with the best pedicures and the best nail tech. L Nails, if you know, you know, the best. Ask for Cookie or ask for Cindy. Cookie do your feet, Cindy gonna do your nails. Right now, I am at the shop. Y'all see my lashes? I'll talk to y'all on Saturday, cousins. Saturday, I'll see y'all when I get my nails done, okay? Bye.
If you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty you and make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wonder if I hate you,
Hey, cousins, I know it's kind of dark, but whatever. It's very gloomy today here in Charlotte. But I'm on the way to go get my nails done. I just left from picking up my food. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to my nail appointment. Y'all know I had to give me some bubble tea, baby. I'm addicted to tapioca. That's so good. But I'm gonna show y'all the before. I'm gonna show y'all the after when I come back. So I'm gonna see y'all at the nail salon, okay? They did a good job on her thing. She was pretty big.
You should see that like
I didn't know for that to show
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
Hey, cousins. So right now I'm about to go get my where am I going? I'm going to go get a massage. But last night, after I left the nail salon, it was so late. It wasn't even so late. I left like 7 something. But it was just so dark. And when I came home, I was so tired for some reason. But I need to show y'all my nails. First of all, check them out. Hold on, I gotta stop the car so y'all can see these. Y'all see those? Check them out. My hand's ashy, but you know the vibes. That girl be ashy. This is my left hand. Fire. Fire. Fucking fire. My nails are fire. Ah! But I'm excited about that. But anyways, like I said, I'm about to head to my massage appointment, and then after that I'm gonna come back home and get Essence. We gotta go shopping. Last minute Christmas shopping. Y'all still last minute Christmas shopping? Because whew, I am. But anyways, I will see y'all when I get to the massage place. Which I had to take a little break and get myself something to eat. Now before you judge me, judge your mama. Don't be acting like y'all don't eat at McDonald's, do you? Every time I go to McDonald's, I get the same 2 things. Either a fish fillet sandwich or chicken nuggets. French fries, of course. Baby, get that fish fillet or them chicken nuggets fresh and them drop them fries fresh every time. You don't even know what you're missing. But McDonald's really be stingy with the sauce. Like, this is fucking McDonald's. If Chick-fil-A can give me 10 sauces and not give a damn, McDonald's, I think you'll be okay giving me an extra sauce. You feel me? Why are you acting stingy with the sauce? I don't get that. Then they be wanting to charge you 25 cents for extra sauce. Like, come on now. That don't even make sense.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else and what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. Won't please you.
Good morning, cousins. So I'm on the way to the shop to get my hair done, and then after that I have to go to the shop that I work at and go wax my body. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I got my coffee. I'm running late. And then that's really it. My hand's a little sticky. So, focus. Focus, camera. Okay, anyways, let's fucking go. Today, I only had, you know, I love my little throw. You can say what you want. You might be seeing this a lot this winter. But I love this little throw. And I have a two-piece set on. I gotta take my watch and get it, the links taken out today too. But why does it keep doing that? My camera keeps zooming in because of this damn tripod. In my purse. That's crazy, right? That's weird. So, let me see what time it is. 9:30. Do I have time to get something to eat? I got time to get something to eat. I got time to get something to eat. I don't care. I need to eat this morning. Oh, I don't have time to go there, but I have time to get something to eat. I wanted to go to this bagel place that I seen where I live at and get me a bagel. I'm really craving a bagel, so maybe I can stop somewhere close and get a bagel. If there's any bagel places near where I'm going, because I'm craving a bagel. And last night when I went grocery shopping, I didn't have time to get no bagels or no cream cheese, but I'm gonna do that today. I got a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. I'm kind of upset that I have so much to do today, but whatever. So y'all, I be trying to do you know, I'm trying to do this vlogging thing, you feel me? So I'm really trying to figure out, this is a bad angle, whatever. I'm really trying to figure out, I have a little setup right here in my car. Oh snap, it's not gonna work. Okay, hold on y'all. It's getting ghetto, it's getting ghetto. Oh yeah, okay, I'm back y'all. That was ghetto. I just hold it right here. I got this little setup in my car right here. You know, so I can, you know, do car vlogs, because I be in a car a lot, so I need to be vlogging while I'm in the car talking to y'all. And for some odd reason, if you know, let me know. Help me if you know what's going on. My camera just gets so freaking blurry. Like, this is a great camera, so some clips I look back and I be like, damn, it's so blurry. But I don't know why. I don't know why it's getting blurry, and then I have to like make it focus on me, but I shouldn't have to do that every time. Anyways, y'all, if you know what I need to do, let me know, because I really cannot stand when my quality dumbed down. Was she balding you out? That girl look bald-headed. who they're from? It says, from me to me. You are the dopest person. Never forget that.
Oh, that is wonderful. That is so true.
Ooh, let's zoom into your let's zoom in into your
So what kind of look are we doing today?
Oh, okay, so let me show you, because I don't want a new lip. I mean, it's pretty much the same look you always do, but I just don't face.
What kind of lip?
I don't know, I was thinking red. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that's too much.
No, it's not. Look, the hair, the
Oh, you want to turn me
lashes.
that way though, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can put it over there.
Okay, we're going over here, guys. Oh, it's kind of bright, boy. Y'all see the yeah. This lighting is everything.
See everything. Lashes are it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Listen, I need
Yes. What you want? What you want? The lash? No.
if you guys think you're getting a tutorial.
All right, if you think you're getting a tutorial, you're not.
I'm telling you.
Let me be the first to tell you. It costs to be the boss. Alright. Anybody want to sponsor me for a MacBook? Leave a comment below. Yes.
Basically.
Wow, you didn't stop with the brows today. You changed shit up. Kyra is past that too, but Kyra's still later.
Yeah.
Kyra is still very much so. I feel like I'm her cousin.
Yeah.
Even her mama, like I just be like,
Her mom's my aunt.
yes, like I'll be like, ma, shut up, like. Do you see the material? It's given, it's your 31st birthday. Wow. This is the red lip and the white.
Yeah.
You know, red usually bring out the yellow. The butter. Go ahead and brush again. I love this. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Hey, y'all, this is Barbreanna. Book her.
Book Barbie.
Book Barbie. Period. You already know. All right, I'll see y'all when I put everything on. When I put that shit on. Period.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on,